chill. My boy, it's the holidays. NCT Dream Candy. I think this is their cover of H.O.T's Candy, a very old legendary K-pop song for sure. It's been a lot. It's been a lot today on Twitch right now. Everybody farting up a storm, just going ugh like that. Like you know the pufferfish sound. Do you know about that? No? Okay. Well, you have to come to Twitch if you want to find out. Anyways, NCT Dream Candy MV. Is there captions? Ugh. MSM. Bless. Dream Candy. Let's get it. Let's go. It's like it's the old version, like a modern version, right? Okay. Damn. Dream always has. That was adorable. It's so old school, but it really does fit with NCT Dream a bit. Since they're like the more younger. Oh, he looks so good. Low key, I would wear that hat. That's so fire. This is a classic song. I mean, I don't know if you've heard this before, anybody that's watching this, but okay. But this was a banger back in the day, and it still is today. And I feel like every year they kind of do a cover of it, or somebody does a cover of it. Ooh. Kind of makes you want to do that Running Man dance. Aww, you're taking care of a child? Whose is this? Whose child is this? Left with these men. Whose house is this? The set, Dre. Get it together. She's an actress. You know what the smile is? You know how I relate with the smile? You know, like, you ever have like if you're sleeping in the, like, maybe the one you love, or not in a creepy way, like you're sleeping but you feel like somebody's watching you. But you know who it is, right? You know who it is. So maybe you smile like, I'm being protected. I don't know. In my case, now that I think about it, that's kind of creepy. I don't like the feeling of someone watching me while I sleep. Like. No, I mean, but what if they do it like for like they care? Yeah. What if they care? No, it could be for good moments. I just had a whole tangent. I'm sorry. God, damn, it is so colorful in here. I just got mesmerized by the colors. Ooh, get it? Okay, Mark. Okay, DDR. Dance Revolution. Let's go. I wonder if they're actually good. Maybe not. Maybe they are. I mean, they're dancers. They have rhythm. Hey, yo, chill. My boy, it's the holidays. My boy pulling up the gun for real? Like this? What? Imagine a robber comes up to you this good looking, asks for your, I don't know, socks. Oh. Ooh. Let's go, aim, Valorant aim, let's go. Did it show? Chat, anyone, did he miss? Or did he hit? You tell me. Oh, it looks cute. I thought they, in the original music video, they had like one glove or mitten and one without. I guess that was fashion. I love the hats though. Ooh. I don't know if y'all ever seen the original one too. Hey. Oh, is it what's this, Everland? Is this Everland? I think I've been here. They were so funny to me, yeah. Classic song. This is the original, by the way, if you guys want to go check it out. It's by HOT. I think that's SM's first boy group. I could be wrong. I enjoyed that. Holiday spirit.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.